Hello dear educators, and welcome to the Nature Online video tutorial. In this video, you will see how to manage the lesson, How to Use a Light Microscope. The first page you land on explains the topic to the students. There is one green button here that starts the lesson. This lesson is intended for the first encounter with a microscope, so we will start from scratch. To begin, let's watch a funny video on how to conduct the simplest experiment with a microscope, the examining paper at low magnification. After the students watch the video, suggest they repeat it. For the experiment, you will need a light transmission microscope of any model, a pipette, paper, preferably something loose, a napkin or toilet paper, a slide, and water. In the first assignment, students will assess the scale of objects that can be found on our planet and understand which of them and how they can be viewed under a microscope. A little hint: you can even examine the planet Earth as long as you take a microscopic piece of it. To complete this assignment, students need to drag and drop objects onto the appropriate white circles. The smallest object on the diagram is a proton. In each subsequent circle, they need to place something that is approximately 10 times larger than the previous object. There is quite a lot of empty space in the microworld, so some circles are black, nothing needs to be placed in them. The assignment text is quite long, and there are many objects. Therefore, you will need to scroll to see them all. The names of objects will be automatically highlighted when you hover over an object. In the second assignment, students will determine what different objects look like when magnified. Drag and drop the macro photograph under the magnifying glass next to the appropriate object. In the third assignment, students will search for objects in the classroom based on their macro photographs. It is recommended to provide each student with a set of printed macro photographs for this scavenger hunt. The fourth assignment is to identify the names of real microbes based on plush microbe toys. Giant Microbes has kindly granted permission to use images of their toys, which is great because they are quite recognizable. However, students will still need to put in some effort to complete this assignment. Click on the black arrows to scroll through the macro photos and Giant Microbes. The black right arrow button indicates that there are no more assignments. If you are ready, click End the lesson. In the last page, the score is automatically converted into a grade on a 10-point scale. All the best and good luck!